This is the Nexxus Clean and Pure Detox Shampoo in the 33.8 fluid ounce bottle. I have been using this shampoo for years. Although this is a new bottle design, I have used this for probably 8 years now. I absolutely love this shampoo because it doesn't leave anything in my hair that feels like a buildup or some sort of residue. On top of it, it doesn't make my hair feel dried out or my scalp feel dried out whatsoever. I know some cleaning or detox shampoos can certainly do that, and it can make your hair feel brittle or your scalp feel dry. But this one, it just makes my hair feel clean, soft, and lightweight, and doesn't make it feel like there's still something left behind on my hair that needs to be washed out. So I highly recommend it. It's definitely got a nice scent to it without being overwhelming and strong. So if you're in the market for a new shampoo, you might consider checking this one out.